Welcome to our tutorial. In this tutorial, we will show you how to hide and show the OwnShip symbol in the Lido eRouteManual version 5.2. This function was introduced to ensure that our application remains compliant with the certification specifications outlined by European Union Aviation Safety Agency. To hide or show the OwnShip symbol on the terminal and enroute charts, simply tap the location button in the top toolbar. Whenever the OwnShip symbol is hidden by the user, an information box will be displayed on the map stating that the aircraft position has been disabled by the user. Please note that the location button also serves as a recenter button on the enroute map. If the OwnShip symbol is outside of the visible map, a first tap on the location button will recenter the map, displaying the OwnShip symbol. A second tap will hide the OwnShip symbol, and a third tap will re-show the OwnShip symbol. We wish you successful operations with this new functionality.